You know what I like to do? Play with handcuffs. Handcuffs are always fun to play with, especially with some people. Often. But then other times they're not fun to play with whenever you're going to jail and or stuff like that. So yeah. Next thing I want to talk about is Austin. Squidward baby. Austin's this guy I met, when was it? Yesterday. I met him on YouTube because I sent him a message, told him that he was adorable, because he is. And we became friends. And then I started talking about handcuffs today. Guess what? Handcuffs, me, him. Oh baby. Goodbye.